Welcome to Hype Tech Picks, where we explore smart solutions for everyday needs. Today's focus is on the best convertible car seats for small cars, designed to maximize safety, comfort, and space efficiency while keeping your little one secure on every ride. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Costco Finale 2-in-1 Booster Seat. The Costco Finale 2-in-1 Booster Seat is an excellent choice for families seeking versatility, safety, and convenience in one package. Designed to transition with your child, it functions first as a forward-facing harness booster for children weighing 30 to 65 pounds and measuring 32 to 49 inches, then converts into a belt positioning booster suitable for children 40 to 100 pounds and up to 52 inches tall. This makes it a budget-friendly option since one seat can serve for several years of growth. One of its standout features is its lightweight build, which makes it easy to transfer from car to car. Families who juggle carpooling or own multiple vehicles will appreciate the portability of this model, especially since it still delivers reliable protection. The space-saving design is another highlight. Its narrow profile allows parents to fit 3 seats across the back row of most vehicles, an essential feature for parents with multiple children. Despite its slim size, safety has not been compromised. The Costco Finale 2-in-1 Booster meets or exceeds all federal safety standards, offering peace of mind to parents on every trip. It also prioritizes convenience, including removable dishwasher-safe cup holders and machine-washable seat pads that make cleanup quick and easy, which is a blessing for busy parents. Number 2. Graco Slim Fit 3 LX 3-in-1 Convertible Car Seat. The Graco Slim Fit 3 LX 3-in-1 convertible car seat is designed to deliver versatility, comfort, and safety in one compact package. As an all-in-one seat, it seamlessly transitions from a rear-facing seat for infants, 5 to 50 pounds, to a forward-facing harness booster, 30 to 65 pounds, and finally into a high-back booster that accommodates children up to 120 pounds. This long-lasting design means parents can use the same car seat through every stage of their child's growth, saving both money and hassle. Installation is simple and secure thanks to the Clek technology, which allows parents to confidently install the seat in just 3 easy steps: pinch, thread, and click. The Slim Fit 3's biggest appeal is its slim profile. At just 17.5 inches wide, it allows families to fit 3 car seats across the back seat in many vehicles, an essential feature for parents with multiple children. Despite its slim build, the seat provides exceptional comfort and safety. Premium padding, mesh cooling channels, comfort pads, and 3 infant inserts ensure children ride in comfort no matter their size. The 15-position no-rethread harness and headrest adjust together with one hand, making it simple to adapt as your child grows. In terms of safety, this Graco seat is engineered with multiple protective features, including a patented V-shaped tether, safe cell technology, and a reinforced steel frame, all designed to absorb crash forces and keep your child safe. The eco-friendly fabric cover is not only machine washable, but also naturally flame retardant, free from added chemicals, and designed with sustainable materials.
Number 3. Clek Foonf Convertible Car Seat. The Clek Foonf convertible car seat stands out as one of the safest and most thoughtfully engineered options on the market, particularly for parents who want extended rear-facing protection. This seat is designed to meet international best practices by supporting rear-facing use up to 50 pounds, far beyond the typical limits of many competing models. It includes a steel anti-rebound bar that adds an extra layer of protection by minimizing rotation during a collision, significantly increasing safety. When used in the forward-facing mode, the Foonf offers advanced protection with its REACT, which stands for Rigid Latch Energy Absorbing Crumple Technology, system, which absorbs crash forces and reduces the impact on your child. Built like a tank, it features a strong metal substructure with inner and outer layers of energy-absorbing foam, as well as an adjustable headrest for additional head and neck protection. Installation is also simplified by its rigid latch system, which makes securing the seat quick, effortless, and reassuring for parents. Beyond safety, Clek also addresses sustainability and ease of use. The fabric cover is removable via zipper, machine washable, and entirely free from flame retardant and harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS, PFC, and PFAS. Number 4. Graco Slim Fit 3 Convertible Car Seat. The Graco Slim Fit 3 convertible car seat is designed with adaptability and safety in mind, making it an excellent choice for growing families who need a reliable seat that saves space. This seat transforms through 3 stages of use, beginning as a rear-facing harness seat for infants weighing 5 to 40 pounds, then converting to a forward-facing harness for children up to 65 pounds, and finally functioning as a high-back booster for kids up to 100 pounds. Its versatility ensures long-term use, eliminating the need to buy multiple car seats over the years. One of its standout features is the slim design, which is enhanced by rotating cup holders and a 10% slimmer build compared to other Graco models. This allows parents to fit 3 seats across the back row of many vehicles without sacrificing comfort or safety. Graco's Protect Plus engineering means that the seat has been tested against frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes, offering superior protection from multiple angles. The Simply Safe Adjust harness system makes it easy to adjust the harness and headrest without rethreading, and the 10-position headrest grows with your child. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. Its 4-position recline ensures children ride comfortably, whether napping or sitting upright. Installation is simple with the InRite latch system, which attaches securely with an audible click in just seconds. Like all Graco seats, it meets or exceeds rigorous US safety standards, offering parents confidence in their choice.
Number 5. Diono Radiant 3RXT Convertible Car Seat. The Diono Radian 3RXT convertible car seat is a standout option for parents who want one seat to last through every stage of their child's growth. Marketed as 10 years, one car seat, it supports children from birth, 4 pounds with inserts, all the way up to 120 pounds in booster mode, making it a true long-term investment. This 4-in-1 design includes extended rear-facing up to 50 pounds, forward-facing harness, and high-back booster modes. The reinforced automotive-grade steel frame gives the seat outstanding durability, while 8 layers of side impact protection ensure comprehensive coverage. Despite its robust build, the seat maintains a slim fit design that allows 3 across in most vehicles, which is invaluable for families with multiple kids. Comfort is also carefully considered with memory foam padding, a 12-position headrest that adjusts easily with one hand, and breathable materials that help keep children cozy on long rides. Parents will appreciate the convenience of a washable cover, which makes cleanup simple in the event of spills or messes. Each of these car seats offers something unique, from slim designs for fitting 3 across to extended rear-facing safety and long-term use. Whether you need budget-friendly practicality, premium comfort, or maximum protection, these options deliver dependable performance. Choosing the right one ensures peace of mind, comfort, and safety for your child on every journey.